Biar bedain.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning.
Whatever tomorrow brings.
Your team is picking. The enemy is picking. Please pick a hero.
Ready, go!
The enemy is picking.
Tawag
The
ka kan.
enemy is picking.
Okay.
Saan sa ma? Palit siguro siya.
Ha?
Palit siguro.
Okay na ba kung hindi ka karaman na nahit eh? Yung mas bunis, marigisi ang diri ko yun. Ayaw na ko pang-drive oh. Paano na di ba katang pa? Patakas sa luyok, sasaga na nila. Marigisi, sige ka na ako. Humok ko siya. Maringimali na sa tila eh. Ayaw ka tayo. Kita. Hindi mo patutisa ko, pupunta ako ko.
Open.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
Oh,
All
troops
troops
deployed.
deployed! Time to lay down the law! Bullseye! My shot always finds the target. Yeah! Bullseye! Request I'll bring you to justice! Bullseye! Hey! Stop right there! Request backup! That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Bomb attack! Gun represents justice. When pointing at bad guys. Ah! My gun is still fully charged!
Clear the way. First blood.
Bullseye!
Request backup.
Heal! Bullseye! The gun represents justice. And what about that?
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Me. Don't tell my grandpa I messed up. An ally has slain the turtle. The gun represents justice. When pointing at bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Enemy missing. Request backup. That was a spur of the moment decision. Killing spree.
ng putik.
Solo kill.
That was a spur of the moment decision.
Neutral. Far first.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
You have slain an enemy. Our turret is under attack.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
You have slain an Launch attack.
Bullseye! Time to shine! Killing spree!
Destroy the turret. An enemy has been slain. Request backup. Killing spree. Your team destroyed a turret.
I'll bring you to justice!
Solo kill. Your team destroyed a turret.
That once little girl to be saved from you.
Ally has been slain.
Bullseye!
Turtle Slayer.
Time to shine! Bullseye!
Ally has been slain. Mega
That one
Sorry.
little girl
Don't
is gonna
give up.
save someone this
Let's
time.
try again.
Time to shine!
Your team destroyed the turret. You destroyed the turret.
Killing spree!
Request that. An enemy has been slain.
More firepower this time! Bullseye! Bullseye!
Shut down.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys.
An enemy has been slain. Shut down. Double kill. Wiped out.
Bullseye! Don't underestimate me.
Gather up the Lord.
That once little girl is gonna save
Gather
someone.
up the Lord.
Bullseye!
Initiate retreat.
Oh, my bad.
Gather up the Lord.
Open fire!
You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain. Gather up the Lord. Understood.
I would never back down.
Attack the Lord. An ally has slain Lord.
I'll bring you to justice!
An ally has been slain. Superb AoE. Double kill. Shut down.
More firepower this time!
Your team destroyed her. Has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Super lag.
Your team is banning. Please ban a hero. Your team is picking. The enemy is picking. Your team is picking. The enemy is picking. Please pick a hero.
Ready, go!
The enemy is picking.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
Victory's calling!
All troops deployed!
Time to lay down the law. Hey! Stop right there!
Request backup!
Invading jungle.
My shot always finds the target.
First blood!
Saan ma?
Bullseye! Don't underestimate me.
Ano sa'yo?
Phew! Hey! Stop right there!
An enemy has been slain.
Oh my Grandpa, I messed up.
Ally has been slain. An ally has slain the turtle. An ally has been slain. Enemy invading jungle.
That one little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Oh, is not ready.
Open fire! The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Oh, is not ready. Wait for me.
I'll bring you to justice. Bullseye! That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
An enemy has been slain.
I would never back
An
down.
enemy has been slain. Ult is not ready.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Okay. Time to shine.
Launch attack. Understood. Request backup. Request backup. Battle spell in cooldown. Beware of ambush. Understood.
That was a spur of the moment decision.
Request backup. An ally has slain the turtle.
Gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. Open killing spree.
An enemy has been slain.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Mega kill. Enemy invading jungle.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Request backup.
That once little girl not ready. Save someone this time.
You have been slain. Request backup.
Come.
Ally has been slain. An request backup. Slain. Okay.
More firepower this time. has been slain. An ally initiate retreat. Understood.
That was a spur of the moment
Enemy has
decision.
been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
Stop once, little girl.
Our turret is under attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Epic outplay. Killing spree. Enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack. Time to shine. Initiate retreat. Enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack! You destroyed a turret! Retreat! Okay. Request backup. Target locked. Your initiative is killing spree. You have slain an enemy. You have the Lord.
Easy kill.
Understood.
Firepower enhanced.
Initiate retreat. Superb damage.
Saan mo ha?
That was amazing. Destroyed a turret.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. Ah! My gun is still fully charged! Hey! Stop right there!
Initiate retreat. Superb control.
Fire!
Double kill. Triple kill. Our turret ally has slain. Request backup.
You put up a good fight.
Request backup.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Yeah! The gun represents justice. Time to shine.
Unstoppable. Launch attack. Superb AoE. Double kill.
That once little girl is gonna save someone.
Launch attack. Overlord.
Eruditio's true power.
Overlord out.
Bullseye! Bullseye! Open fire!
Legendary. Team destroyed a turret. That was amazing. Unstoppable.
Hey, not bad. The gun represents justice. When
Victory.
Mahulog ako.